When I decide to purchase new equipment, the first thing I do is I put a lot of research into it. I look at all the comparison charts for the equipment, then I start reaching out to the vendors. I want to make sure that we are getting the best technology that is out there. I want a vendor that's going to work with me and that they're also in our budget price. And we just want to make sure that everything that we want for our patients is met. You want to make sure that you're getting everything for your patient that they deserve. They do send out drawings and they work with our hospital team. Everything is all set before the equipment comes in, and it only takes a few days for the equipment. When we did the CT room, Brown's provided us with a mobile CT unit. That way our emergency room didn't have to go on bypass, and the patients could still come here and receive their CAT scans. And that process went very smoothly.